Okay, so we are getting ready to head out and continue our journey to the Grand Canyon before getting to NomadFest. And I just went back over here, that's the 50,000 casino, and I went to drop off some postcards for our moms from Montana. That way they could check it out. I know that they love getting handwritten postcards from us, so that's pretty cool. And now I am coming back. Oh yeah, and I found these awesome chargers, so I'm excited about that. Can never have enough iPhone chargers. So this place is cool. There's a motel there. I think they have like 40 rooms. Hey you! And getting ready to hit the road now. This place is cool because it has free electric actually. So that is a plus. All right, let's keep going.